The KeySmart Urban Slim Wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the KeySmart Urban Slim Wallet, which is tile compatible and has a nice compact size. The company sent this out for me to review, and as always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. The Urban Wallet features a slim design and provides RFID protection. It's tile compatible, holds up to 6 cards, has easy slide slots, and is made of Tectuff leather. You can purchase just the wallet or add the optional Tile Slim Tracker. The wallet is slim and has a nice smooth texture to it. As mentioned earlier, this is made of Tectuff leather. It feels very durable and rigid. And you can see the KeySmart branding on the front. The stitching all around is done very well and precise. On the front and the back of the wallet, there is an easy slide slot that will allow you to access your cards by just sliding it up. And on the side, you have an additional card pocket. There is also a card barrier to protect your cards. Inside one of the card slots, you'll also find another pocket which is designed for the Tile Slim. And now let's take some measurements. The wallet comes in at 3.9 by 2.7 by 0.3 of an inch. And as you can see, inserting the cards is fairly easy and they fit with no issues. They also slide and work well. And the tile tracker just tucks in nicely in the inner pocket. Using the Tile app is fairly simple. I will not go through all the settings, but to activate, just download the Tile Tracker app. Follow the on-screen instructions and it's pretty straightforward. Once the tile is activated, you can use the Find feature to locate your wallet in case you misplaced it. You have the ability to change the ringtones in the app. The KeySmart Urban Slim Wallet. This is a nice slim wallet and it feels very durable. This is perfect for the minimalists out there or if you just want to travel light. The cards are easy to access and fit well. The design for the tile tracker is integrated nicely. It gives you the flexibility to track your wallet in the event that you misplace it. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.